Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power, internet, and your Apple ID are ready. This avoids mid-setup interruptions. Once done, connect the device and sign in when prompted, because signing in links iCloud and device settings. Make sure to back up critical files to iCloud or an external drive before major changes. That protects data. Finally, proceed through basic prompts, language, region, and keyboard, so the system establishes core preferences and network access for the next steps. Now you configure privacy, security, and apps. Start by enabling iCloud sync only for the data you need, because selective syncing saves space and reduces clutter. Next, set up Touch ID or Face ID and a strong passcode, and turn on two-factor authentication to harden access. Then install essential apps from the App Store and run system updates to the latest stable release for compatibility and security. Make sure to review app permissions so background access matches your privacy expectations. Finish by tailoring notifications and focus modes so interruptions match your workflow. This improves concentration and battery life. Next, optimize display and battery settings. Set brightness, enable night shift, and use energy saver features, because small changes extend runtime. Once done, verify backups and sign out of any test accounts. If something goes wrong, reboot the device first, then check the network and Apple ID status. If problems persist, reset the specific settings or restore from your backup to recover a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.